Ditch the boring bullet points, because today we're unlocking Notion's secret artist mode. First, you'll need a digital pen and a compatible device like a tablet or a touchscreen laptop, although using a mouse is possible, too. Since Notion doesn't have native drawing tools, we're using Whimsical. It seamlessly integrates, and it is free. Create a new page or use an existing one and type Whimsical to embed a whiteboard. Once the whiteboard loads, you'll see various tools on the left. There's a pen, shapes, sticky notes, and connectors. Select the pen tool. Now, simply start drawing. Adjust the pen thickness and color using the options at the top. Experiment with different brushes and see what you like. Use shapes to create diagrams, jot down quick sketches during brainstorming sessions, or even add annotations to your notes. Get creative with mind maps and visual lists. The best part is, your drawing lives directly within your Notion page, perfectly integrated with your text, databases, and everything else. So, add a personal touch to your workspace, visually enhance your notes, and unlock a new level of creativity directly within Notion. Have fun experimenting.